Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen and the second episode in our summer salads. This is Monday, the day after Mother's Day, and I hope you all had a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. I did, and guess what? I just didn't make a video. We did go out to dinner Saturday instead of Sunday because of the crowds, but Sunday I cooked prime rib, which is one of my favorites, and I'd had one in the freezer since they were on sale in the holidays and decided this would be a good day to cook it, so that's what I did, and it was delicious. So today I'm back at making some salads, and this one is called a grilled zucchini with tomato and corn salad, and it does require some grilling, so we'll be doing that together in a little bit. Now this salad can be used as a salad or a side dish actually, and because it can be served warm or cold, and it does sound very good. It's a healthy salad, and I'm going to be trying to be a little more healthy, so we'll see how that works out. I'm going to take you down to the desk or the countertop, and we're going to get busy, and the first thing we're going to do is prep the vegetables for the salad and make the dressing. Okay, so give me a second and I'll get you down to the counter. Hold on. All right, now when you're doing the corn and the tomatoes on the grill, it calls for a grill pan. I don't have one. I'm going to be using my cast iron pan. And in here I have about 2 cups of corn kernels. Mine are frozen, or were frozen. If you have leftover grilled corn, this would be just perfect. But along with the corn, and let me just move this out of the way. We need some tomatoes, and it calls for the cherry tomatoes, and they want to be halved. And there's a fly here, it's going to drive me crazy. We've had an unusually heavy fly season here this year. I don't know why, but they are annoying. Now it calls for 2 cups, and I've got a big fat cup, maybe a cup and a half. That's plenty for me. So we're just going to halve all of these up. Okay, so there is your tomatoes and corn. And to that, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And that's now ready for the grill, so I'm going to move it over here. And we'll get the zucchini ready. I have 2 zucchini. Mine aren't too big. This would be a good thing to do when your garden gives you more zucchini than you can use. And I'm going to cut mine right now in half for grilling. It calls for them to be cut in little half moons, but I can't do that and then grill it, or they'll fall through my grill. So we'll do it after. Now I'm going to take another little bit of, let me get a paper plate to put these on. And I'm going to take another bit of olive oil. That's all I need. All right, so the zucchini is ready. So we'll get that out of the way. I'm going to wash my hands. Alrighty. I'm going to start with the dressing. And what I will do is bring this bowl down to the grill, and as these things come off the grill, they'll go right in the dressing. This calls for 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. See what I get with a half. 1, 2. Okay. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, or any other dried spice that you might be partial to. The top back on, so I don't pour up the whole bottle of oregano next time I use it. 1 clove of garlic, which I forgot to get out. And salt and pepper. Yeah, we'll just whisk that up if I can get my whisks untangled. Well, maybe. I don't know how I did that. And you can see it kind of emulsifying here, and it will separate, so you'll have to you can tell it's emulsifying because it gets creamy looking. See, it's creamy. Very lemony. So, that's it. That's all the preparation. The next thing is to grill off these vegetables. So I'll see you in a few minutes at the grill. Back in a bit. Okay, here we are at the grill. And I heated it up to about 400. It was about medium. I'm going to set these over here, slippery little buggers. Actually, I want to do skin side down first. There you go. And it says 2 or 3 minutes per side. You kind of have to make your own judgments. I want them to be done, but I don't want them to be soggy done. And the corn and tomatoes, you want them to get a char on them, so I'm going to cook them till they have a char on them. I'm going to let them sit here. One thing to remember, if you use a cast iron fry pan, the handle is the same temperature as the pan. Alright, I'm going to be back when I'm ready to flip these around. Okay, I just turned the zucchini over, and these aren't getting a char yet, so we'll let them keep going. Should be about another couple of minutes on the zucchini. Once this pan gets hot enough, it should start charring them up good. I'll turn that one burner up just a little bit. The pan it takes a little time for it to get hot. Once it gets hot, it stays hot. Back in a couple. Okay, I've got the zucchini off. That dish is hot. I'm going to take this off. Remembering not to touch the pan. It's hot. Last little bit. We'll leave a couple of kernels for the birds. No, we don't want to do that. Grill is off. All right, I'm going to meet you back inside. We'll be putting it together. Well, there you go. It's a really pretty mixture. I'm going to put a little bit on a plate. Now this is still warm. Now this, you serve it with some arugula or baby spinach. And then it said you can top it with goat cheese or feta cheese or blue cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle a little Parmesan on my serving. And we'll bring it up and see what it tastes like. And excuse my worse for weather. Look, it's hot out there, with or without the grill. Zucchini is delicious. It's definitely done, but not mushy. Let's try some corn and tomato. Very good. Now I tell you, warm, it makes an excellent side dish. And I'll probably have it for lunch later. I like it with that palm on it. So there you go. Very nice. And you know, that dressing is perfect now that it has the vegetables. I thought it was a little bit lemony when I first put it on. Delicious. So that's the salad today. Grilled zucchini with tomato and corn. And I will see you again on Tuesday. I think we're going to do maybe a poly burlap wreath. Until then, everybody stay safe, play by the rules, wear your mask when appropriate, wash your hands, keep your distance. And everybody, play nice now. I'll see you Tuesday. Love you. Bye-bye.